Hello, today I'd like to give you a short preview of our ABBYY Vantage connector for Google Sheets. The goal is to be able to classify and extract critical metadata from documents and pass that information into a Google Sheets document where we can perform either some downstream automation or keep that information in an easy and referenceable historical spot such as Google Sheets. So the workflow, a typical workflow would look something as basic as this. We bring a document in. Today we'll use a shared folder that will pass documents in. The software will then classify and extract from the document. We can decide if we need a human in the loop. This is an optional stage. And then we will pass that information to Google Sheets. Now, today I'm using explanation of benefits documents. These are pretty common documents. There's some header information that typically talks about patient, provider. Then there's repeating information, in this case, that talk about different procedures that happen. So this is just an example document that we're using for today's demo. What I'm going to do is pass this information in through a shared folder. I actually have some samples here that I'll pass along. The software will then eventually pick these up and we'll start processing them. When the software is done, we will then see our Google Sheets document populated with this information. All right, ABBYY Vantage has now picked up those documents and they are working themselves through this workflow. The software will extract the data, will determine if a human review is required. In this case, that will not be required. We will pass them directly to Google Sheets for today's demo. And as you can see, once I refresh this here, the software now is populating the proper fields that we're expecting to see here. This is a very, very simple use case, a very good one, frankly, for ABBYY Vantage. It gives us the ability to pass that information quickly to an easy, consumable format, such as Google Sheets, where we can then perform analysis and do a very quick onboarding of these documents as well. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, would you do me a favor and click the like button, the subscribe button, and even click that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post new videos. Thank you.